Welcome to our channel. If you want to open a crypto savings account and earn interest on your digital assets, follow this simple guide to get started. Step 1. Research reputable crypto savings platforms such as BlockFi, Celsius, Nexo, or Crypto.com. Compare interest rates, supported cryptocurrencies, and security features. Step 2. Visit your chosen platform's website or download their mobile app from the official App Store. Step 3. Click Sign Up or Create Account and enter your email address and create a strong password with uppercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Step 4. Verify your email address by clicking the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Step 5. Complete the Know Your Customer (KYC) verification process by providing personal information such as full name, date of birth, address, and uploading a photo ID. Step 6. Wait for identity verification approval, which typically takes 24-48 hours depending on the platform. Step 7. Link your existing crypto wallet or exchange account, or purchase cryptocurrency directly through the platform to deposit into your savings account. Step 8. Transfer your chosen cryptocurrency to the savings account and start earning interest. Most platforms calculate interest daily and pay out monthly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.